like, I'm just kidding. Oh, look. She's gonna share with Nanner. That's disgusting.
And he's really gentle.
Mm-hmm. You, and then the hand goes back in the mouth. If there was something I could do about it, I would do it, but... Yum, yum, yum! Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Yeah.